Hello friends, welcome to my channel and let in your GK with UV. So in today's video we will take a look at best GK questions about Indian temples. So without any delay, let's start. So first question in this video is, which temple dedicated to Lord Shiva and Parvati is oldest temple of India? A. Kedarnath temple, B. Meenakshi temple, C. Mahakaleshwar temple or D. Mundeshwari Devi temple. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option D, Mundeshwari Devi temple. And this temple is located in Indian state of Bihar. Question number 2 is, which temple is only Indian temple where Pandavas are worshipped along with Draupadi? A. Panchpandav Cave Temple, B. Shri Dharmaraya Swami Temple, C. Bhimbetka Cave Temple or D. None of these. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option B, Shri Dharmaraya Swami Temple. And this temple is located in Bengaluru in Karnataka. Question number 3 is, which temple, literally meaning Lord of Peaks, is highest Shiva temple in world? A. Kedarnath temple, B. Somnath temple, C. Amarnath temple or D. Tungnath temple. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option D, Tungnath temple. And this temple is located in Rudraprayag in Uttarakhand. Question number 4 is, which temple built in Chalukya style of architecture is believed to be first Jyotirling temple? A. Somnath temple, B. Kedarnath temple, C. Omkareshwar temple or D. None of these. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option A, Somnath temple. And this temple is located in Gujarat. Question number 5 is, which temple built in 1553 by Maharaja Bahadur Singh is also known as Dhungari temple? A. Hidimba Devi temple, B. Chamunda Devi temple, C. Tara Devi temple or D. None of these. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option A, Hidimba Devi temple. And this temple is located in Himachal Pradesh. Moving on to next question. Question number 6 is, which temple built by Lord Brahma also featured in 2018 TV program of History TV 18? A. Mahakaleshwar temple, B. Jagat Pita Brahma temple, C. Kedarnath temple or D. Lingaraj temple. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option A, Mahakaleshwar temple. And the name of show is Mahakaleshwar, the Legends of Shiva. And this temple is located in Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh. Question number 7 is, which temple built by Adi Shankara in 7th century CE is famous for Mata Murti ka Mela? A. Kedarnath temple, B. Badrinath temple, C. Amarnath temple or D. Vaishno Devi temple. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option B, Badrinath temple. And this temple is located in Uttarakhand. Question number 8 is, which temple built by Raja Udit Narayan Singh is said to be formed where tongue of Sati fell? A. Mundeshwari Devi temple, B. Kamakhya temple, C. Jwalaji temple or D. None of these. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option C, Zoology Temple. And this temple is located in Himachal Pradesh. Question number 9 is, which temple built by King Kulasekhara Pandya literally means the mother with beautiful fish eyes? A. Rameshwaram Temple, B. Meenakshi Temple, C. Machilipatnam Temple, or D. None of these. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option B, Meenakshi Temple. And this temple is located in Madurai in Tamil Nadu. Moving on to next question. Question number 10 is, which temple built in 14th century is said to be built where tooth of Sati fell? A. Danteshwari Temple, B. Kamakhya Temple, C. Vaishno Devi Temple, or D. Mundeshwari Devi Temple. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is option A, Danteshwari Temple. And this temple is located in Chhattisgarh. So let's move to bonus question of this video. So now it's time for bonus question, but before that let me give you answer of previous video's bonus question. And it was, which person has record of most spacewalks? And correct answer is Anatoly Solovyev. So let's move to bonus question of this video, and it is, which temple built in 1998 has world's largest Bhagavad Gita? So friends, let me know your answers in comment box, and for such more interesting GK videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to never miss any notification. So let's meet in next video. Till then, goodbye.